Hi, I have a gift from my son. I don't know what's on inside, but he said, I really like it. Let's open. Oh, I just wonder what is this. I just woke up. I'm very tired from cooking last night. What's in this bag? Oh my God, it is a big perfume. Wow, I like it very much. He knows that I'm a perfume lover. Perfume lover. Thank you, son. He is my twin. That's my twin. Thank you so much. This is a good smell, I think.
I'll open it.
Okay, guys, I will open. Oh my God, so big. Oh, it's hard to open. Oh my God, so big. This is a very good smell. My son knows really that I'm a perfume lover. Wow, Gran, so good smell. The good things about this perfume, they have a extra small that you can probably put in your purse, and you can use this for go travel, whatever. I love too much. So